Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel QA Leaders. I hope you all are doing good. So, today I'm going to talk about a particular Salesforce certification, that is Salesforce Associate certification, which is essential for all the Salesforce professionals. Here, I'm going to talk about the complete roadmap, how you're gonna pass this certification, including how you're gonna register free of cost this certification. So let's move forward and have the complete roadmap for the same. Here, the Salesforce Certified Associate is a brand new entry level certification. This new type of certification removes the emphasis on hands on practical expertise and instead validates and empowers those with fundamental Salesforce knowledge. This knowledge includes understanding what a customer relationship management platform is for, what business needs it solve, and how the Salesforce product suite can be used to transform and automate business teams and processes. Moreover, I would like to recommend this certification to anyone assessing if a career in the Salesforce ecosystem is for them, or anyone already committed to pursuing a Salesforce career but perhaps at the very beginning of this journey. About the Salesforce certification associate exam. The exam consists of 40 multiple choice or multi-select questions. You will have 70 minutes to complete this exam. The passing course is 72%. The examination cost $75 to take and retake are free. The examination can be taken online or at the testing center. Uh, there are no prerequisites to take this exam, and you can see here I have mentioned a particular code which is going to expire on 30th of April. This is the $140 uh, voucher, and if you use this voucher then you can register your exam free of cost. So if still you are not registered, then you can go ahead and register this exam. Let's move forward. Who can be the ideal candidates for this certification? The Salesforce Certified Associate is designed to prepare individual for a career in Salesforce by validating fundamental Salesforce knowledge, including what Salesforce is, what Salesforce does, and how the platform solve business needs. The exam is split into four topics. Salesforce ecosystem 70 means question will come from different four categories. 32% questions will be related to Salesforce ecosystem, 28% related to navigations, 25% related to data modeling, and 15% related to report and dashboards. So let me talk in details, in particular all the full category one by one. So first of all, we'll talk about the Salesforce ecosystem, from where you will get 32% questions. What can be the topics? This is the largest section with the highest weighting uh, uh, on the exam. You will be tested on your knowledge of the Salesforce ecosystem, including resources to learn and apply Salesforce learnings. There are six different platforms you can learn from: Trailhead Playground, uh, Developer Org, Trailblazer Community, Community Groups, and Salesforce Help. The Salesforce product suite, and when a particular product for a or cloud is required. Use cases for Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Health Cloud, Experience Cloud, Non-Profit Cloud, and CRM Analytics. How companies use Salesforce, including what Customer 360 is. What CRM? Customer Relationship Management Platform do and the business needs they solve. Salesforce architecture and multi-tenant tenancy platforms, career paths and what specific roles do, including in administrator, developers, and business analytics analysts. So from this section, just have a question. Software architecture in which a single instance of software runs on a server or servers multiple distance user group is known as what? Let's have options. Single tenancy, multi instance, multi tenancy. So option is C. Salesforce works on um, multi tenancy architecture. Let's move to the next section, that is navigation. From this section, you will get 28% questions. So let me describe in detail. In this scenarios based section, you will test your understanding of how and where to the find information such as licenses, company information, and org settings, list views including Kanban use cases, search and personalized tabs, language, and time zone. In addition to being familiar with where to make the changes at a more global level, you should also be able to identify where end users can make changes, such as adding a phone number, changing their default locale, resetting their passwords, or amending their app navigation tabs. You will be expected to know about the app exchange, user management, and where basic customization takes place in setup. Example, the Lightning app builder. Now let's move to the related questions. A user would like a way to visualize display opportunities with the ability to easily move them between stages and see the total amount per stage. What feature would support this? Options are split view, Kanban view, report. So option is answer is B. Kanban, via Kanban you can achieve this requirement. Now let's move to the third, that is data modeling. From this section you will get 25% of questions. So let's talk about this section in detail. In this section, you will demonstrate all understanding of Salesforce architecture and the standard objects and their relationship. You should be comfortable with accounts, contact, leads, opportunity, and cases. Based on the scenario, you will identify how visibility is being controlled. So you will need to understand the features including role, hierarchy, profiles, permission sets, record types, page layouts, and field visibility. You should also be familiar with how to ensure data integrity. For example, default values, required fields, and validation rules. Now, let's have a question to related this section. You would like to think individuals related to a specific account in Salesforce. What object would support this? Options are lead, person, contact, and answer is C, contact. because at contact layout you can have this individual options. Now let's move to the last section, that is report and dashboard, which is from this section you will have a 15% different set of questions for this certification. So let's move to the detail. To as the sections, as the section get hands on, get familiar with the report and dashboard and their features. So first we'll talk about reports. So all those topics related to reports you have to familiar. Report format example, tabular, summary, matrix, joint. When to create and use custom report types, bucket fields, conditional formatting, report formulas, report limitations example, how many records are displayed in in a report, and subscription features. Now talk about let's move to the dashboard part. In dashboard you will have components, filters, and subscriptions. Now let's go to the check out the questions. For example, you would like to report that shows cases that have associated activities. How could this be achieved? Options are cross filter, custom report type, row level formulas, and answer is A, which can be achieved via cross filter only. So thank you so much, guys, and I hope I have explained all those from beginning to end. All those part we have covered as a roadmap. Now, if you need more clarification or more related examination preparation document, so let me give you an example in org how you gonna find those uh, document, or I would say exam material. So let's move to the, if you have already trailhead account, then please move to the particular and find out. 1 minute, I'm going to showcase you. Here you can see I have already logged in my org, and you can see all those. If you write down here Salesforce Associate certification, then you can find all those preparation documents, and if you complete this module, then you will have full-fledged knowledge to complete this exam, and all those materials are available on Trailhead, so don't worry about it. And thank you so much, guys. Thanks for your time, and I hope it will help to complete this certification. Thank you so much.